Thank you for choosing Edge Pipeline. In this short video, you'll learn how to sell online in a Simulcast sale event. Use your Edge credentials to sign into Edge Pipeline. Then locate the auction location and sale event you want to attend. Click Attend to launch the Edge Simulcast window. Vehicles you are able to rep for your dealership will be indicated on the vehicle list. When one of your vehicles crosses the block, your screen will change to give you options to sell, offer, or pass. Use the chat to send messages to auction staff. This could include what price you are willing to sell for or any additional vehicle announcements. With Edge Simulcast, you can sell at the current bid, make an offer, or choose to pass. Your vehicles at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Find more helpful videos on the Edge Pipeline help page. Happy buying!